Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Triggr Kraken X1 earbuds. This process can help resolve common issues like one earbud not connecting or pairing problems. By restoring the factory settings, you can often get your earbuds working like new again. We will go through the simple steps together, ensuring a smooth and easy experience for you. Before we begin the reset, make sure your Kraken X1 earbuds have sufficient charge. It is also a good idea to remove any previous Bluetooth connections from your device to prevent interference. Once charged, carefully take both the left and right earbuds out of their charging case. They should now be powered on and ready for the next step. Now, let's perform the reset. Simultaneously tap the touch control area on each earbud 5 times. You should see the LED indicator lights on both earbuds blink blue twice, confirming the action. After the lights blink, immediately place both earbuds back into their charging case. This signals the earbuds to complete the reset sequence. To finalize the reset, close the charging case lid and wait for about 1 to 2 seconds. Then, open the case and take out both earbuds. They should now automatically enter pairing mode. Go to your device's Bluetooth settings, find Triggr Kraken X1, and reconnect. Your earbuds are now reset and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.